Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Can-Am RYKER Rally Ace with only 39 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with windscreen and mini passenger floorboards. The RYKER is a unique three-wheeled vehicle. It stands out even among other trikes with its agility, design, and performance. Powered by an 899cc 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It weighs in at 616 pounds and has a 23.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.